In this video, we will show you how to check if hardware acceleration is enabled in Windows 11. There is maybe 3 easy methods how you can verify that your hardware acceleration is already enabled or not. Okay, the first is using settings. You can just find settings, okay? Just find settings on your Windows 11 in here. And after you find a settings, you can just go to display. After you go to display, you can scroll down until you find menu called graphics. Okay, after you click graphics here, you can click the change default graphic settings. If you can see, there is hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is already enabled or on. And the second, okay, you can open the DXDiag. Just find DXDiag. Okay, type DXDiag on your computers or Windows 11 and then click open. After you click open the DXDiag, you will find a tab called display. Okay, please wait. The DXDiag is maybe slow to open. You can find the hardware acceleration. Okay, here is enabled. Also in the display too, you can see this is the hardware acceleration is enabled. And to verify again, this is with manual method. You can try to open the task manager. Okay, task manager. Okay, this is the 3 method, and you can verifying with this method if your graphic acceleration is enabled. You can click this menu to find the GPU. For example, let's see the GPU 1. In this case, my best GPU using NVIDIA GeForce GTX. Okay, you can see, you can verify if your hardware acceleration is enabled. If you open some application like video editor that you already have hardware accelerations option on that application, let's play the video in the video editor. And when we already enable the hardware acceleration, the graphic will changing. Okay, let's close this. Let's open the video. You can also not just using the video editor, but any application that related or have settings about hardware accelerations. Okay, in here you can see now the video decode. Okay, let's play the video. Now you can see this is hardware acceleration by GPU. In this case is NVIDIA. You can using another application, not just using Wondershare, Filmora or video editor. Okay, when we click preferences, okay, you can see in the performance there is hardware acceleration. Okay, so after we play the video, it will must change the video decode and encode here. Okay. We can run again our video, for example. And that's all to verify or check if our hardware acceleration is already enabled or not in Windows 11. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.